Hello there, welcome to the Boss TV, and today I bring you the first ever aircraft made in Tanzania. The first 3 aircraft manufactured in Tanzania, known as Skyleader 600, have officially begun operations both domestically and beyond. Following the first Skyleader 600 aircraft landing at Julius Nyerere International Airport, Mr. David Grolig, Director of Airplanes Africa Limited, declared this historic milestone. Airplanes Africa Limited, a Morogoro-based company, received certifications from authorities to commence operations after successfully meeting international aviation standards. Mr. Grolig spoke highly of the quality and modern design of the Skyleader 600, noting that the aircraft are now available for sale. The Skyleader 600 is designed to carry 2 passengers, including the pilot, and is particularly suited for business travelers undertaking long journeys. This aircraft will enable them to attend meetings in different regions and return to the city promptly for other engagements. Airplanes Africa Limited is the first company in Tanzania to manufacture such aircraft, which are suited for both commercial and personal use. The company collaborates with a mixed team of Tanzanian and Czech Republic professionals, offering employment opportunities to local youth, some of whom have even been selected for internships in the Czech Republic. According to Mr. Grolig, owning an ultralight aircraft is comparable to owning a car in terms of affordability. The aircraft run on petrol, have low maintenance costs, and are more economical than traditional general aviation airplanes. The success of this project is a result of the close collaboration between Tanzanian and Czech teams. The Skyleader 600 planes were featured at the Tanzania International Manufacturer Expo, Time Expo 2024, held at Dar es Salaam International Trade Fair, DITF. The event, organized by the Confederation of Tanzania Industries (CTI) in partnership with the Tanzania Trade Development Authority (TanTrade), has attracted over 300 local and international companies. The Skyleader 600 is capable of flying for 6 hours non-stop, showcasing the potential for long-distance travel. This development positions Tanzania as a rising player in the aerospace manufacturing industry and a regional hub for innovative transportation solutions. So there you have it, the first aircrafts manufactured in Tanzania. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Boss TV. Thank you for watching and see you next time, my friend. Until then, as always, bye bye.